Hey guys, good morning. What's up everybody? I am in my beauty room and I was trying on some lip gloss. I'm cleaning up my beauty room, y'all, because I will be painting it and redecorating this beauty room. But I just have so much stuff and I just get so overwhelmed with this beauty room. But I really want to make it like a closet, like a real closet. I need to get some more inspiration because I wasn't really inspired by this beauty room. And everybody know you want to make sure your work area is some type of inspiration. I really like the way my living room look, but I don't know. I just feel like I want to redo my beauty room. Right now I am unpacking my clothes. I'm drinking some coffee. So I'm unpacking my clothes from Atlanta and also Orlando because it's just like I got suitcases everywhere. I'm the type of person, I have to work in like a clean environment. If I don't, I get overwhelmed. Like, every girl know that your beauty room or your makeup area or your bedroom get really messed up, because when we get ready, we pull everything out, like everything, just to slay for that one day. I haven't cleaned my beauty room in like the last week, so I just closed the door. Like, it's just been looking so crazy. I just closed the door. Like, every day I just been walking past it, just closing the door. So it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, so I bought some new lights. Let me turn them on. Let me see if you guys. One thing about being a beauty guru, or not a beauty guru, because I don't even feel like I'm like a guru, but just like being on YouTube, it's just like, yeah, y'all might see the background and it might look really nice and clean and pretty, but it's just a lot of stuff going on the other side. But I have like a new light, a really big light, because I want to start back recording in my beauty room, because I record with a lot of natural sunlight in my living room, but I kind of want to switch up my scenery a little bit. That light is so bright, but as you guys can see, I'm recording off my phone and it looked good. That new iPhone, the new iPhone RX or XR, I forget which way it is, but this quality is amazing. Like, you can't even tell me that I'm not recording off my camera. Yes. But if you are looking to start a YouTube channel and you have a new iPhone, girl, it looks lit. So I'm just going through my makeup, you guys. I have so much makeup. I ordered another one of these Juvia Place palettes because the one I had when I traveled, it broke. The beautiful gold color in this palette had broke. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna order me another one, and these was on sale for like $10. So I just be ordering stuff, y'all. And I used this palette the other day for my tutorial. I really like this palette. It looks terrible right now because I've been using it like crazy. But that's good when you use a palette, because I have so many palettes, so I be so happy when I actually can use a palette up. I will be doing a makeup collection video really soon. I won't say really soon, but I want to do one. When I get this room all together, I want to do one. I did pick up this palette. This is not the palette that I wanted, but I did see this in Walgreens. This is a Profusion Cosmetic palette, and it's like cool colors. I seen one in Walmart. It was like a lot more pigmented and stuff like that, but this is the one I seen in Walgreens. But I was swatching it and the colors are okay. I want to do a makeup tutorial with it and see if it kind of can give me a good look. I'm going Christmas shopping today, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. I have to start Christmas shopping. Today is like the 17th and I haven't started at all. I've been just so busy, so I'm going to start today. I'm going to also do a hair review on this hair today, because I supposed to been did a hair review on this hair, but you guys, I just be so busy. But this hair is looking really pretty, so I'm gonna do a full review, let you guys know where the hair come from, and so forth and so forth. And yesterday when I got this ultra cool palette, I also picked up some new lipsticks. This one is by Rimble. This is the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. I got the one in the this is more like a One is not matte, one is like a satin, and one is matte, and it's like a brown color. I don't really care for the color. I thought it would be deeper because here's the color here, but it kind of looks like my complexion. When I put it on, it's just like I look like one complexion. So I don't know, it kind of matches me so well. But I do like this like concealer type of color, this nude color, and it's not too wet, it's not too slippery, so I think that'll be real cute with the brown liner. But I don't know, you guys, I'm gonna do a tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up this mess of a room because it's terrible in here. And I'm all right, guys, so let me go ahead and get this little thing situated, and I'll be all right, y'all. So I just finished recording a quick little tutorial. Oh, sorry, it's kind of bouncy, but I just recorded a tutorial on my hair and also a review, and I also did like a everyday makeup tutorial for you guys, because you guys always ask me about my makeup, and it's like I do it the same exact way. And I just sprayed my hair down. I love the texture of it now. I love the wave pattern. So I'm about to throw on some earrings and throw on some clothes and get out of here, because if I don't leave now, I'll never leave. Okay, it's 11:50 and I'm just getting out the house. You guys, we have to go. Like, I have to go. Oh my gosh. It's like, I don't know. It's just taking me so long to get out the house. Jesus. And I need to go get me a some Starbucks real quick. And maybe like an egg bite, because I didn't eat anything today. I'm about to go by Starbucks really quick and get me a green tea and an egg bite. And then I think I'm gonna go by Walmart and price some laptops for Joseph, because he want a laptop. Yeah, he want a laptop. He got a nerve to say he want a laptop with an Apple on it. No, 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 baby. You only 6 years old. You do not need a laptop with an Apple on it. Now, I will get you a laptop, but with an Apple on it, I don't know about that, son. You might have to wait until you about 10 or 11, because he's not really that responsible yet for a laptop with an Apple on it. But yeah. Hi, can I get a large green tea lemonade with 2 Splendors, please? I gotta get Joe something for Christmas. What do you get a man for Christmas? Like, usually I get him like really nice colognes, because he really like colognes, but I've been doing colognes and watches and stuff for so long. Like, I wanted to get him something a little different. Joe is really easy to please though. Like, he's super easy. Like, he don't really even care for gifts like that. He don't really care for gifts like that, but I wanted to get him something nice. I don't know. I get him gifts all the time. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna get him. I don't know. I think my mom wanted a bracelet from Pandora. I don't know if I'm gonna get her that either, because me and my brothers, we supposed to all get like her a nice bracelet with our birthstones and stuff like that. But I gotta go see how that works. I never shopped there before, so I gotta go see how that works. I have a Christmas dinner to go to. Like, we always, well, I'm not in charge of the Christmas dinner, but I kind of came up with the idea, so I don't know why they always put me in charge of it. But I already got my dress, what I'm wearing to the Christmas dinner. We supposed to wear all white. It's supposed to be like a white diamond Christmas dinner, but I don't think they're gonna all wear white, so I don't know. It don't really matter to me. Like, I don't really care. Like, they can wear whatever they want to wear at this point. They can just wear whatever. Last year we did red. This year we're supposed to do white and diamonds, but I don't know. It don't really matter to me. I don't care. Just come and just, it don't matter. I got so much other stuff to worry about. But yeah. So the first stop we're gonna make is TJ Maxx in the Nordstrom rack. I don't know what I'm getting from this, but Hopefully I can find some gifts for my mommy. What you doing? Come on, sir. Come on, sir. Come on through. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the Nordstrom Rack. First I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx. And then I'm gonna go to the Nordstrom Rack. And I'm gonna try to not buy myself anything. First of all, can a bitch put on some lotion? I don't really like the smell of this. This is Dolce & Gabbana, light blue, but I don't really care for the smell of it, y'all. I know a lot of people like this scent, but I got the perfume, I got the body wash, I got the whole little set. Somebody got it from Christmas last year for me, but I don't know. I don't really care for light blue, the scent of light blue by Dolce. Dolce. Is it Dolce or Dulce? I think it's Dolce & Gabbana. Dolce & Gabbana. Dolce & Gabbana. I'm so country, girl. I'm so down south. I be fucking all the words up. But it does feel really good on my skin. But it's just like, I don't really care for the smell. It's a little, I don't know. But I hate putting on lotion. If I didn't have to put on lotion, I really don't care if a person talk about my legs. But I got on like a little dress today, and it's the holidays. Let's have the chocolate bomb palette in here. Okay. And these look nice matte lipsticks. I like the brown colors. $5.99. They also have this palette here for $24.99. The MAC Supreme palette, but I don't even know how the palette looks because they got it all boxed up. They also have the Self-Culture palette. I know how that looks. This eyeshadow palette look nice. That look nice. How much is that? $5.99. Let's see if we can find one that's not all beat up. That looks like a nice eyeshadow palette. I don't know if it's pigmented, but we shall see. I don't even want to be on this makeup side, y'all. This is not what I'm supposed to be doing. They have, oh my gosh. See, this is why I can't vlog and shop. Like, what the hell? Y'all be talking about vlog and shop. Girl, I can't do this. Oh, this is a nice palette. Hey guys, so I just left the grocery store and the malls. I could not vlog and concentrate at the same time. I don't know how people do it, but I just can't. It's like I don't be catching the sales. I don't be catching what I really need when I vlog. So I cannot vlog and shop, really be shopping at the same time. But I just got done grocery shopping. I really didn't get much from the mall. I didn't do a lot of Christmas shopping. I was with my friend and she was looking for a dress for our dinner. So she found her a gown. It's really, really cute. So I was kind of helping her out. So tomorrow we're going to try this thing again with Christmas shopping because I got a Christmas shop. I haven't even really started. But I don't have much. You know, I only have one kid. So I'm about to go home and cook dinner. That's what I'm about to do. Is cook dinner. I guess I'm going to go this way. Yeah, I'm going to go home and I'm going to cook dinner. I'm going to do some chicken Alfredo tonight. And then, relax a little bit. I might have me a glass of wine. So, and then I got to edit.
And she's cutting the shrimp.
The shrimp.
With the knife. You see it, guys? You keep saying shrimp. It's shrimp.
Shrimp. Did I say it right? Shrimp.
No, you said shrimp. It's shrimp. It doesn't have no C. Well, and that's why it's so difficult for you because you're making the C go in the second of it. Shrimp.
Shrimp.
You didn't say it right.
Shrimp.
Guys, my mommy can't say nothing right.
Let me see how come. Hey guys, so I got my dinner on for tonight. I'm cooking chicken Alfredo with some shrimp. I know I'm not saying shrimp right, but I just can't. It just don't come out right. I don't know why. Yeah, so right now me and Joe is watching this movie. I think it's called, I don't know, it's like a new Kevin Hart movie. It's so funny. So we're watching that. He wanted me to watch it. He put it on pause because getting Joseph out the tub. So yeah, y'all, we are watching this movie. It's a pretty good movie, and my eyelash seems like it's about to come off. Yeah, I'm cooking dinner. I'm almost done, and I can't wait to show y'all how it looks because it's gonna taste so good. I make sure I season it real good. So once I get done, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. I'm about to have me a glass of wine. I'm gonna have me some wine tonight. Stop moving. We watching this movie, y'all. Gonna finish it. This wine is like the best wine ever.
Think about it. He says bullshit clients all day about funds they don't understand. It would be a natural. So you're saying if I graduate from high school, then you job? Yeah, but late schools. Why are we even having this conversation? No, I'm not talking about going to school. I'm talking about getting my GED. And that's different. So you get my GED, all I gotta do is go to the school, charm the principal a little bit, right? Get what I want. My GED sounds pretty easy to me, Mark.
Hey.
If you got your GED,
You're gonna put this on YouTube?
I'll help you.
You can put some videos.
Now you know I'm smarter than that.
Alfredo with garlic bread, and of course my Diet Pepsi. Looks so delicious. Hey guys, so I was in the bed and I wanted to close off this vlog. Good night. Hopefully you guys like this vlog a little better because it was a lot longer than the last vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Get ready for content videos because I got some nice videos coming up, some hauls and try on hauls and some special videos for you guys, so stay tuned for that, and some more makeup tutorials. But I'll talk to you guys later. Good night.